Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Also, check out my sister's video. She just made her first ever video on her phone. So go check it out. She's actually in my room right now. She's not gonna say anything, but she's...
Wait, say hi real quick.
Yeah, my sister is in my room. Just messing with my screen. Okay, let's go chase to the cut. Here we are in teardown.
Please try to get me to 20 subscribers. Let's try.
I don't know if you guys picked up what my sister was just saying, but we are literally making videos side by side. So we're on teardown. This is one of my favorite games. This is probably one of my favorite things to do in this game. Rocket place. Parachute. And then blast off. And boom, there it is. And also, you can launch more than one rocket. What if I tie them all together? That looks good. And what if to enforce it even more, we get some planks? Because planks hold it better. Then here we are. Here it is. We have combined force of 3 rockets, and we still have like the... Okay. Right there. Yeah, that... Let's go see the damage that I made. See, what did I hit? I think I aimed for here, didn't I? Oh, yeah. You can tell. Also, one of my other favorite things to do with the rockets is to actually land them. Like, I deploy my parachute. And with... This isn't gonna end well, ain't it? It usually doesn't. And so... I get the rocket. Gotta land it right now. Going out over here. To the ocean we go. Where we're gonna be down here forever, I guess. And then I go out here, and then I can... Yeah. There's also a bunch of other weapons you can use. Like this. Oh, bro, I died. If this building is still okay, yes. So if you have a fast enough car, which I like to use the cars out there, which I know how we can get there faster. Quick, so I do this. Car. I'm making a line as I go. And here we are. One of the best cars if you want to do what I'm doing. And then you come here to that little ramp, which you can point it straight ahead. full throttle, and then you jump and you go through it, and then there. Incredible. Also, we got cranes. That's the small crane, and the thing about the big crane, if you drop it, this satisfying thing happens. The entire thing just breaks apart. But the best way to, I guess, that's pretty cool. This is a crane. Let's go get our support leg into the ground. Now that we got the supports, now we can use and then now, because I don't want to deal with it anymore, use the black hole mod. Yeah, I'm getting out of here. Then we could also give it the crane. Let me go see. Let's go see what would happen to this if we were to. What was that? Just disappeared. See, I just hear my sister in the background saying some stuff. But yeah, I said it earlier, but me and my sister are making videos at the same time. Okay, okay, I can't stay. Okay. Ooh. Okay, now that I'm up here, I can really see what's happening. Oh no, not the lag. Let's go over to it. Here we go. Oh. Oh. Okay. Ooh, that did some damage. Also, the thing about this wall right here, you get something, you should be able to break into it. Something was hollow. Yeah, that's hollow. If you, like, get a bomb or something, throw it at the wall. Okay, I might need a rocket launcher. I know a better one. I can blow everything out of here. This stuff is like high explosive. One explosion in here will end up in I think. Oh yeah, I need to get out. Ooh, it is gone. Everything there is gone. Look what the black hole did to everything. Okay, let's go restart. So my only mods are a tornado mod. I don't remember the name of, and I don't know how powerful that tornado is. Okay, I think. Okay, free roam, EF5. It's free roam. So if you have one of these tornadoes, you're doomed if it hits where you're at. This thing breaks anything it hits. There's no way to survive. Going into the elevator. Let's go up into the elevator. As you continue going up. Oh, the elevator's broken. Broken. Okay. Yeah.
I spell hotel. Hotel.
I don't know. But my sister's trying to. You're gonna have to spell it.
Hotel.
Okay, let's go delete this tornado, guys. Ooh, there's some dough. Oh. Okay, I'm just gonna go restart so you guys can see what it looked like. So I was like hiding. I went into here on like. Not the second floor. There were a bunch of. Yeah, look.
What?
Right here, everything from there is broken.
Look at this. It says cleaning the. It's like at first it said cleaning the infinite pool. The infinite pool.
Huh. We got an infinite pool. I'm not sure if you guys are here. Okay, I'm just gonna call her Emoji. But Emoji, when we're making videos, let's not interrupt each other. So I hope my sister won't interrupt me anymore. I'm sure you know how to burn stuff if you. You do that to something. You do this to something for long enough, it will set on fire like this. Should be setting on fire. Bye bye. So now we got this heavy. Oh, that turned them all off. Let's go get a little boat. We need to make the little boat go faster. And yeah, that's make sure the engine's good. The engine looks pretty good. Oh, my sister just left. And now let's get some boat thrusters. Well, they're really vehicles. Vehicle. I'm not the best at it. Take off! Oh, no. I don't think boats are supposed to take off like that. We gotta do that again. We get a small boat, put it in the water, then we just gotta no, what if we do that? Okay, I'm starting to drown. Oh, that's not supposed to happen. Why ain't I taking off? I'm supposed to be taking off. So that boat is broken. This one needs, I think, pointing these up will also help do some stuff. Uh-oh. Yeah. Well, we've just been breaking boats. Let's get one of these. Let's go get... Let's also make a lot of them pointing straight up. Just to go see what will happen. It turns out when we do that, a lot of our car seems to want to make us point down. Which no surprise to anyone though. Okay, we gotta do something more like this. Also gonna need some forward thrusters. Okay, I just need I need to get a car so fast that it can that it can go so it can hit that while it's driving. So I just need to put a bunch of these thrusters on it and point it. Yeah. Ooh, oh. Whee! Whee! Oh. I survived! Okay. Turbo cars. These are the cars with turbo activated? What if we add our own turbo? Oh, dang. Made a hole. Right in the... This is my weapon now. I hold it like this. It's a boomerang. You can use it to... And I also have the back of the old car that I can throw out there. No, okay. We got this giant piece. This piece is here too. What? Okay, this is the perfect piece for something. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bring it out here. Get some rocket boosters. Point them just like this. Then make this thing point more up. Okay, I guess not. But let's go get some explosives. You know where I explode? Huh? No. What if I get a propane tank? And then use my blowtorch. Ah. Propane canister. Oh, that hurt too. It was perfect. Let's go get this. Aim towards it and remote explosives. Instead I do it this way. How is that remote if I'm just gonna be using it and I die? Okay, so I think the last thing we're gonna do, and this is probably one of my if you get a truck parachute, well, I mean tank parachute, and you get it and you put it kind of high up, and right before it lands, you blast off with it, and you can get a tank that flies. You can still like turn and stuff, but it's just a flying tank. So here we go. We're going down to war. That's not good. That's not good. That's not good. Ooh. And it's also get a truck parachute. But it seems like the truck parachute isn't the best though. Well, I guess it does. I guess it does also kind of lift off. Yes, it's lifting off. How is this generating thrust? This ain't supposed to be possible. I'm generating thrust. How do I get up? Let's get a xenomorph. Did I kill? Is the xenomorph dead? All it took was it to be in the. Let's go drive this wonky thing, and then I'm gonna. You. Eeny, meeny, miny, you. Oh no, I'm in the water. So I guess it's. So I guess, thank you. I guess I'm gonna end the video now. Thank you guys for watching this video. Let me go adjust my stream. Roblox online out. Bye bye.